What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. And today, we're talking about how to use Twitter to build your business in 2022.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video. Because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How to use Twitter to build your business in 2022. All right. I know you're probably saying to yourself, D, come on. Who still uses Twitter? Like, who's still tweeting out there? You know what I mean? Like, who's tweeting besides Donald Trump? You know what I mean? And they banned his Twitter account. So who's tweeting? Like, who's still tweeting on the regular? Well, let's take a look at the numbers. There are 217 million active users still using Twitter in 2022. This is a great number of people to be able to market your business to. Are you kidding me? It's a lot of people, right? I know, everybody's a TikToker now, but people are still using Twitter. And you can grow your Twitter account very quickly and you can monetize them if it's done correctly. But who has the time to build a Twitter following, right? And B, actually talk to your followers and connect with them. Like, you know what I mean? Learn a little bit about them before you try to sell to them. Right? So the next question is, what do you do as a business owner? Right? Because this is for business only, right? We're all about business here. You could spend your time building a following and end up trying to handle all the nuances of building a Twitter following yourself, right? You yourself. Or you cannot even attempt to build a Twitter following and leave all those potential sales and signups on the table, right? Especially if you have something that you can deliver to these people. Or you can check out this tool called Leadmints. It's a Twitter app that uses AI and a pattern automated flow that mimics an actual human tweet schedule. You can schedule your tweets for the day, week, and even month. It's easy to use and totally simple to understand. This app gives you the ability to start growing your social presence on one of the most underrated, still hot social media platform for business right now, Twitter. I know you're saying, what? I'm serious. Twitter is still popping, people. All right, so check it out. Leadmints features tweet and schedule tweet. Right? So basically you can auto tweet a photo, text, and videos on your Twitter account with the tweet now or schedule tweet option. You can also auto follow, right? You can set up a auto follow before following any Twitter account who has hashtags or by Twitter screen name. You can also auto unfollow. This app will set an auto unfriend on all your followings who you are following with additional options. Right? You can auto like. The auto like feature will help you increase interactive likes with the option to use hashtags or Twitter screen names. You can auto retweet. Retweets a public tweet by using a hashtag or Twitter screen name. This feature is similar to hitting the retweet button against the tweet on the Twitter website or mobile app. You can search tweets. So basically, you can search tweets profiles by keyword. The tool can also return a collection of relevant tweets matching a specific query. A specific query. Right? And this thing, Leadmints, right? This app has step-by-step video training on how to use it, okay? Plus, you get access to awesome bonuses that will enhance your Twitter experience. So, if you're looking to expand your business and haven't looked at Twitter yet, then this Leadmint tool will help you create passive income using, guess what? Twitter. So check it out, man. If you need, you got everything else popping: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Why not use Twitter? It's there, right? So thanks for watching. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Signing off for how to use Twitter to build your business 2022. Click that link below. Check it out today.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.